In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set a camera timer on a Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, open up the camera app. And in here, if you want to set a camera timer, then you go to the top navigation bar and then tap on this timer icon right here. Tap on it. In here, you can choose 2-second timer, 5 seconds timer, or 10 seconds timer. If you want to turn off the camera timer, then you select this one on the left hand side right here, and this will allow you to take the photo immediately. If you choose 5 seconds, then select your timer option and then tap on the shoot button, and then the clock will start to count down. And that's it. That is how you can set the camera timer on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.